most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi, I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
And together we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course.
Here we are in Balmy, Minnesota. Brad, you're going to show us some adjustments on your car seat,
right?
Truck seat.
Yep, we had a request from one of our viewers. He said, could you show us how to adjust a car seat that has the adjustments in it? And this Honda Ridgeline is, the car for it has some really nice adjustments to it. It's all power. You know, that makes it a little easier. The first thing you want to do is adjust the seat. It might come in, you can see how it dropped down. That is not going to put your back in a good position. It's going to make your back a little more stressed and rounded.
It's going to put a lot of stress on your neck.
Right, yeah, exactly. Good point, Bob. Now, I just have the tape on here so you can see it move a little easier. See how it's moving up and forward. I like to keep mine all the way up that way. That's my first adjustment. And then I can move the seat forward and backwards. The only indication for that is so you can reach a gas pedal.
Yeah, and generally you want to be as close as you can, right? I mean, you don't want to be too far back.
Right, exactly. That does have a little bit to do with our adjustment. Can you come over here, Bob?
Sure.
Okay, the seat going up and back. Obviously, you got to bring it up high enough so you can reach a steering wheel and see the road. But I do bring mine back a little bit because it takes a little stress off my low back. Safety's first, driving the car is more important. But if you can tilt it back a little bit, that'll take some stress off of your back as long as you're safe while the controls of the car. And most importantly is right here. Wouldn't you say, Bob?
Yeah.
The lumbar area of the car. Now, I've had patients that didn't even know that their car adjusted here. They had back pain and I went out to their car and they said, oh, I didn't know there was a lumbar support. Now, this is hard to see, but when you sit on it, now it's going in. I don't know if you can see my hand sink in, and if I push this button, my hand comes out. And I usually take mine all the way out.
And I've seen it, Brad, where they actually have a roller, that roller knob that helps.
Yep, right in here. You can turn it, twist it, do the hand,
exactly.
A manual one. Okay, so those are the adjustments. Now, sometimes what I'll do with this one is if I'm going on a long trip, I'll actually adjust it in so I have it changed for about 10-15 minutes, maybe less, and then I'll go back to the full out position so my back is not stuck in one posture for a long ride.
Alternate.
Yep.
Yep.
Now, we're going to go in and I'll adjust this for myself and you can just watch. It's very simple to do. All right. So first thing I do is I get the seat tilted up so I'm not sitting in that hole. Adjust my forward and backwards so I can reach the pedal or reach a steering wheel. And here, right about there, I can still reach. The lumbar support all the way out. I can feel it going into my back. Now this is a really important point right here. In most cars with your left foot, there's a spot right here that's made for your foot. And you might wonder what that's for. As far as I'm concerned as a therapist, that part is for, why don't you get a different angle here, Bob?
You don't think I can get it?
Well, I need you to see my butt. If you're sitting in here and you're riding, you'll find yourself slouched. You put your foot in there and you push this direction and watch my pelvis scoot back in. It's subtle, but you will definitely feel the difference.
It'll hold you back into position, it'll lock you into place.
Right, and it pushes that lumbar support where it should, and it feels good. And it's like, you'll find yourself doing that every 20 minutes or so on a longer trip. So I think that pretty much covers it all, Bob. How about you?
No, I think you covered it. Nice job.
What say you, Bob?
I say I'll be strong like Bo if I could be like Brad.
If you ever want to get a Honda Ridgeline, this is an 06. I've got 260,000 on it, and the only thing I ever did besides oil and brakes is the alternator went out, and that's it.
Nice.
So a little kick towards Honda. I love these Ridgelines.
All right.
They quit making them now, Bob. Now they got some other deal going on.
All right,
Yeah, you
take care.
get something good going, and yeah. Anyways, take care of your back.